Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make all of your videos private on TikTok. The first thing you can do obviously is to go to your videos, click on them and make them private one by one. But now I'm going to show you a more efficient solution for this problem. So basically you just need to tap on your profile on the bottom right corner and then the three lines on the top right corner. Then you need to click settings and privacy. And then you need to click activity center. You will be able to see manage post visibility. You need to click that, and here you will be able to see all of your posts. You just need to select those posts that you want to make private, and you just need to click only you on the top of the screen, and basically you made all of your videos private pretty fast. Alright, so all in all, this is how to make all TikTok videos private quicker. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.